Greetings, inquisitive souls, to yet another enthralling installment of Nature's Whispers Revealed. Today, we embark on a quest to unveil the enigmatic realm of allergies.
Brace yourselves, we peel away the veil, exposing the concealed truth that encompasses allergy, their essential, original challenge, and the herbal lizard that promise an enlightening remedy. Let's commence our journey by illustrating the fundamental nature of the allergen. As their arts, allergy represent the body amplified reaction to the typical regain elements known as allergies. Envision these allergies are the intricacies that unlock the pursuit of the immune response, revealing the intricate mechanism at the play. Let's plug into the depth of the concealing origin of the captivating responses. Genetic hacking to the treasure allergies can bestow the disposition of allergies across the generation. Furthermore, nurses of the environment influences like childhood encounter with allergy can assume a pivotal role in the shaping this response. But hold on, for there are an additional layer of intrigue, the mysterious complicity that allergies entail cannot be dismissed unattended. Allergies can introduce a sudden twist to the narrative onset of the anaphylaxis. This intent and the life-threatening response for switch action to ensure a healthier and a more vibrant life. Take heart, for within each enigma lies the herbal remedy emerge to seize the spotlight from steering clear of the allergies to
the power of antihistamines and epinephrine injectors.
These remedies serve as compass guiding us through the intricate maze of the allergies. As the canvas of the knowledge broadens, this grid depends. Emerging revelation reminiscent of the concealed treasure, unveiling fresh fatal results, luminatory are uncovering the pivotal roles of the microbiome in influencing allergies, laying the fundamental for the transformative remedy that could rewrite the narrative, propelling herbal solution to the forefront. Now, we are arriving the ultimate and the notable crucial period. This herbal remedy for the allergies gathered
Turmeric, Carpolobia lutea, sandpaper leaf. Once all the ingredients are in hand,
transform them into the fine powder. Extract a teaspoon from each herb and combine them with the natural white element found within the aloe vera plant. Mix this with 150 grams of the shea butter. Blend it components meticulously until it melts into a cream concoction. As you use this remarkable cream on your skin, you will experience the remarkable potency that nature has to offer you and you. Dear viewer, we come to the final chapter of our exploration. Remember, understanding this concealing world of the allergen, empowering us to navigate life intricate plot twist.
Remember to show your support by giving a thumbs up, subscribing, and ensuring you're alerted with the ring of the notification bell for more insightful content like this.
Until next time, keep seeking, keeping learning, and keep unveiling the hidden secret of any ailment by consulting and follow Authority Herbal Empire. Until the next time, thank you.